bibliography group, caption group, index group, and table of authorities group. To insert a table of contents, ensure your headings and subheadings are formatted as heading 1 and heading 2 respectively. Click on the References tab. Select the Table of Contents command. Choose your preferred style from the drop-down menu. That's it. To add a citation, click on the References tab. Select Insert Citation. If the source does not exist yet, choose Add New Source. In the Source dialog box, select the language. Choose the source type. Example, book, article, etc. Enter the author's name, title, year, city, publisher, and click OK to save the source. After the in-text citation, there is the need to insert a reference or bibliography. Place your cursor at the location where you want the references to appear. Click on the References tab. In the Citation and Bibliography group, click on Bibliography. From the drop-down list, select References to insert the formatted reference list for educational purposes. Mailings tab, used for creating and managing mail merges. It has the Create group, Start Mail Merge group, Write or Insert Field group, Preview Results group, and Finish group. To start a mail merge, click the Mailings tab. Select Mail Merge, then choose Step-by-Step Mail Merge wizard. Choose the Letters option and click Next to proceed. Opt to use the current document and click Next. Choose an existing list. Click Browse to locate your recipient list. Select Data Source. In the Select Data Source window, choose the Excel file containing your data and click Open. Select the worksheet. In the Select Table dialog box, pick the correct worksheet, then click OK. Ensure that the first row contains column headers. Review the recipient list. The Mail Merge recipient window will display your list. Deselect any addresses you don't want to include. Once finalized, click OK. Place the cursor where the address should appear. Click Address Block in the Mailings tab. In the Insert Address Block window, choose the preferred format. Click OK to insert it in place. Insert the greeting line. Place the cursor where the greeting line should be. Click Greeting Line in the Mailings tab. In the Insert Greeting Line window, select the desired format and click OK to insert it. Insert the recipient's last name. In the letter contents, place the cursor where the recipient's last name should appear. Click More Items. From the Insert Merge Field dialog box, select Last Name and click Insert to place it in the letter. Repeat the process for other fields as needed. Click Next to continue with the merge process. Preview the addresses. Go to the Preview Results group. Use the left and right arrows to navigate through each address. If satisfied with the results, click Next to proceed. Complete the merge. To edit individual letters, click Edit Individual Letters and make necessary changes. To print all merged letters, click Print to send them to the printer. Review tab. The Review tab contains tools designed for proofreading, tracking changes, and enhancing document accessibility. Its tool groups include Proofing Group, Speech Group, Accessibility Group, Language Group, Comments Group, Markup Group, Tracking Group, Compare Group, Protect Group, Ink Group. To spell check, click the Review tab. Select the text you want to check. In the Proofing group, click on Spelling and Grammar. Review the suggestions. Select the correct spelling and click OK. To add comments, highlight the text where you want to add a comment. Click the Review tab. In the Comments group, click New Comment. Type your comments in the comments bubble that appears. To track changes, click the Review tab. In the Tracking group, click Track Changes to begin making changes in your documents. As you make edits, Word will display these changes. You can later accept or reject each changes using the options provided. To delete changes, highlight the text you wish to delete. Press the Delete key on your keyboard. Right-click on the deleted text. From the drop-down menu, choose options like Accept Deletion or Reject Deletion to manage the tracked change. View tab allows you to change how your document is displayed. It has the View group, Immersive group, Page Movements group, Show group, Zoom group, Window group, Macros group, and SharePoint group. To switch view, click the View tab. In the View group, you can play with the various views like Read Mode, Print Layouts, Web Layouts, Outline, and Drafts. The default view is the Print Layout. To adjust zoom, click the Zoom button. In the Zoom group, from the pop-up dialog box, select your preferred choice and hit OK to adjust the zoom level. Alternatively, you can use the zoom slider to achieve the same results. To split the window, click the View tab and click on Splits within the Window group to work on different sections simultaneously. Help tab provides quick access to support resources, including tutorials and troubleshooting guides. It has only one group, which is Help. Click the Help button to access help resources online, like Get Started, Collaborate, Insert Text, Pages and Pictures, Save and Print, Mail Merge, and more. The feedback command to get response to your challenges, such as giving a complaint, reporting a problem, and making a suggestion. And the show training to access online videos such as Quick Start, Write and Edit, Format Text, Lay out pages, Insert tables, Pictures and Watermark, and more. Saving and printing your work. To save a document, click the File tab, then select Save As. Choose a location for the file. Enter a name for it and click Save. To save as a PDF, click the File tab, then select Save As. Select a location for the file. Enter a name. Choose PDF as the file type and click Save. To print a document, click on the File tab at the top of your Word document. From the Backstage view that appears, select Print. Configure printer settings. To do this, enter the number of copies you wish to print. Choose your printer from the list. If no printer is connected, the default setting will remain. Change the paper size to A4 from the available options and click the Print button to start printing your document. Follow along in this course by subscribing to the TechTricksGh channel, and soon you'll be using Microsoft Word like a pro.